Watch out! Earthquakes are on the way. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, now's the time. Here are the top 5 deadliest earthquakes ever, based on destruction and death toll. Number 5. Haiyuan Earthquake, China, 1920. Magnitude 8.5, deaths 273,000. Entire villages were swallowed by landslides. It remains one of the deadliest earthquakes in Chinese history. Number 4. Indian Ocean Earthquake and Tsunami, Indonesia and 14 other countries, 2004. Magnitude 9.1 to 9.3. Deaths 230,000 to 280,000. Triggered one of the largest tsunamis ever recorded, devastating coastlines across Asia and even reaching Africa. Number 3. Tangshan Earthquake, China, 1976. Magnitude 7.6. Deaths 242,000. Some estimates go higher. Struck an industrial city in the night, causing massive building collapses. Number 2. Great Kanto Earthquake, Japan, 1923. Magnitude 7.9, deaths 142,000. The quake hit Tokyo and Yokohama. Fires and a tsunami worsened the destruction. Number 1. Shanxi Earthquake, China, 1556. Magnitude 8.0 is estimated. Deaths 830,000. The deadliest earthquake in recorded history. Many people lived in cave dwellings carved into cliffs that collapsed instantly. Like and subscribe for more.